In the sweltering savanna, the river is a vital sanctuary for the heavy-set hippopotamus. But even giants have their irritations in this harsh environment. Swollen ticks constantly plague the hippo's incredibly tough hide. To combat this, the hippo relies on a winged ally, the red-billed oxpecker. These birds provide a mobile spa service, prying loose stubborn parasites. It's an easy feast for the oxpecker and sweet relief for the hippo. Despite sharing the river with predators like the Nile crocodile, the bird finds a safe haven atop its massive 3-ton host. The opportunistic oxpecker doesn't just eat ticks, Zissert. It also cleans dead tissue from wounds, helping to keep infections at bay. But harmony is never guaranteed in this wild river ecosystem. Nearby baboons are far less receptive to these bold birds. And when a primate gets too close to the water, the hippo's formidable jaws send a clear warning. Through cooperation and maintaining these strict boundaries, these remarkable creatures successfully navigate their shared world.